This is Motorola Moto G15, and today I'll show how you can boot into the recovery mode on this device. So at the start, launch the power off menu by pressing either volume up and power keys at the same time or pressing and holding the side power button for a few seconds. Now select the power off option and allow a few moments for the device to shut down all the way. Once it is, simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power buttons and release your fingers once you'll see the, bootloader menu. Here it is, so I can now let both of my fingers go, or actually the fastboot menu rather than the bootloader. Now cycle through available options using the volume rocker until the recovery mode is selected and then press the power button. Now we gotta wait a few seconds. Now if you'll see the same Android laying on its back logo with the no command text, you will need to simultaneously press and release all three side buttons, like that, once again, and once again. Yep, now it worked. And here simply, or actually that's the recovery mode, so I guess as far as this video goes, that'll be it. In order to exit the recovery mode, simply select Reboot System Now option, once again by using the volume keys, and press power button to, confirm. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.